loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if it's your first time, thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you will like what you see. You hit that subscribe button down below, and you also hit that bell so you are updated when I post a new video. If you're an OG, thank you so much for coming back. Now this unit is from Allove Hair. It is a 24-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I am so excited about it. It's been a minute since I did like a straight human hair wig, and I am loving it. There was one point in time where this was all I wore, and honestly I remember why now. It's so classic, it's so beautiful, the hairline looks amazing. I did not do anything to the hairline. All I did was bleach the knots on this wig. So my last upload, you seen that I didn't even want to bleach the knots. I just used my lace tint spray, but this one I didn't even have to use my lace tint spray. I just bleached the knots and it was perfect. So if you're around my skin tone, then this lace will work for you. It's a really cute wig. It's 150% density, which I usually like to go a little bit higher than that, maybe like 180. But with it being so hot now, it is good that I got like a lighter density, because so much hair can be so hot. So this is all of the hair to the front. This is what it's looking like. So how long it is on me, I am 5'4", so about 24 inches comes right at my belly button, pretty much. Yeah, like right above my belly button. It is amazing. I really like it. As you will see in the video, I show you the ends. Everything looks great on the ends. So I just love that I didn't have to do much to this unit but install it. This is the 4th day I've taken this wig on and off. This is the 4th day I applied this unit with just my Got To Be Glam Force spray, and that was it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much, but yeah, I will see you queens in my next one. Black lives matter. They always will matter. And yeah, I have to make sure that I get that point across in all of my videos at this point, because we just need to. But yeah, I will see you queens in my next video. I love you guys so much. Deuces.
So this is what the hair is going to look like when you get it out of the packaging. As you can see, the ends look really healthy. For it to be 150% density, this is really nice. As far as the construction, you're going to get 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back with adjustable straps. It looks like it's just regular light brown lace. And as I stated before, it looks good against my skin tone, so I didn't even have to use any lace tint. The hairline looks really good on this one, enough to where I didn't feel the need to do any extra plug-in. I probably could have went in and did more, but for me, I was just like, no, let me see what I can do with this unit straight out of the box. But what I did want to do is go ahead and bleach the knots though, because I did notice that the knots aren't pre-bleached on this unit, so I went ahead and bleached them myself. So in this next clip, you will see the wig after I have washed it and bleached the knots and all of that good stuff. So now I'm about to go ahead and put the unit on, or actually cut that lace in the back, which is, you just don't need it at all. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the unit on for sizing. Units usually just come in a standard size, and you will have to pretty much go around your hairline or around your ears to customize the unit to fit your head. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. And then you will see me using the Beautiful Hustler lace melt adhesive. I will leave a link down below. I'm not sure if these are still in stock on her website, but I love her glue. She has a YouTube channel here. Her name is I Am Beautiful Hustler TV, and it's really she just does an amazing job, and I really wanted to try out her glue. So I have been using it faithfully on my units when I want, a really strong hold. So I actually just did one layer of that glue And I'm going to be doing 3 sections as I usually do, just pinning the hair back to get it out of the way. And like I said, I'm going to be using that Beautiful Hustler lace melt adhesive. And then I'm going to be also using my Got to Be Glam Force spray. That is my favorite hairspray currently. And yeah, so you will see me using that as well. If you guys have further questions on what I do during my process, any of that stuff, leave it down in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you guys. Know I always respond to the comments. So yeah, just leave me a comment down below if you have any further questions. I love this lace glue. Make sure that it is clear before you adhere the lace to that glue. And yeah, so I just kind of sped through that part. But yeah, I only did 1 layer because I didn't want to keep it in for days and days, but I did want a nice hold for this day. So let me know what you guys think down below of this no baby hair look. For me, you guys know I usually love my baby hairs, but I want to have a variety on my channel because I know everybody does not like baby hairs. So I just wanted to see how this would look on me, and I honestly do like it. So let me know what you guys think. I like this hair a lot. I do. And like I said at the beginning, it's been a minute since I did a straight human hair unit. So it's been a minute. So I wanted to try another one. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you queens in my next video. Spread love, Black Lives Matter, and I will see you queens in my next one. Deuces.
Cavalier. Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. All alone at night, I harbor feelings. we more than just friends. Oh, this is too much, too much. I know I done screwed up. Thought it was true love. You left me unplugged, so just let me go on my way. Find me in bed, move to the baseline. I'm so done with these games, I'm tired of playing. You loving that playtime, and now you feel stupid, like a idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel lick it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. We used to lay up every night, used to catch a little vibe. Driving through the fire, you know it feels right. Yeah, what happened to this? Every other day we back at it again. Oh, you said we only friends, but baby, next minute you tell me reach the ends. Oh, this is too much. This is too much to handle. I've had enough. I just need time for now. You feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. You have to make up your mind, 'cause time after time you don't know what you want inside. And I'm getting so tired of trying and shine when you haven't made up your mind. I had to let go, let go. I hope you ain't upset, oh, sad, oh. I treated you so special, special. I really had to get gone, get gone. And even though I don't know what's in store, I know that I still want something more. And now you feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down.